Hello, everyone. I thought I would drop a video to let you know what's going on, what I've been doing, and where I'm going from here. Obviously, I took a pretty large hiatus, kind of a mental health break. Believe it or not, these videos are a lot of work, and I needed to kind of step away from them for a bit. And the next thing is this is not a ploy for money, believe me, but I was buying all the materials, the recording equipment, the peripherals for the computer, for all the editing, and it was starting to add up. So I kind of needed to step away from that as well. Got a special shout out to all the subscribers that messaged me, asked me if I was doing okay. Yeah, I'm doing all right. Uh, Thank you for your concern. But as I told you in the reply, there are more videos coming. It was a great time, however, that I got to spend playing some video games with my grandson. So that was truly awesome. However, I have my list here of all the things I want to get built, make videos of. If there's anything special you would like to see, go ahead and put it in the comments and I'll add it to the list here so we can get those built for you. I do have a special plug that I would like to do. My wife is now a Norwex consultant. If you don't know what that is, they provide chemical-free, sustainable cleaning products. My favorite product is the fluoride-free toothpaste. So I'll put her link down in the description. If you want to check it out, that'd be awesome. Otherwise, until next time, keep it safe.